Yo, what it is? This is Gary Parrott, and I got my bro here, Perry Garrett. Yeah, that's how I do it. We do it all the time. We did what we do. That's how we do it. You know, me and Gary Parrott, Perry Garrett. That's who we be. You know who? Who you? You. Me. I'm me. You. Yeah. Oh, what you say, bro? I don't know, man. Life ain't even what it is, but when you do what you did, you can't even did what you did when you did it. What you do when you died. But, bro, I don't even know what it is these days, you know? I don't know what it is these days either, you know? But, all I know is that, you know, you gotta keep successful in life, and life will successful you. And, that's how you do it, you know? You gotta keep doing what you're doing. And if you ain't doing it, then you ain't gonna do it. And then, you know, food is good too, you know? Yeah, polyester brown shortcakes, man, them bitches are good as fuck. I was fucking them bitches from the other day, man. I didn't even know what to do when I did. I don't even know what the fuck you were talking about. But, you know, I don't even know, but, you know, you gotta just fuck, man. That's all you gotta do is just fuck. Fuck in the ass, fucking the tits, fucking the ear, the booty hole, the nostril, the flippity flap. That's all you gotta do, man. Who was you? What? You was fucking her? Yeah, I know, man. She was all up on my shit. I was shitting on the shitter. And the next thing I knew, man, she was like all up in the toilet standing on my shit. And I was like, what the fuck you doing? And then she don't even know what she said. Yeah, man, she probably say you stupid. That's just plain and simple, you know. You just stupid. I don't know why you even talking. But, you know, you can keep talking if you want to, you know, because I don't even care, you know. I don't even, what? Yeah, that's what I said, man. I don't even know what you is. But let me take a time to,
dance, 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 dance.
That's how we jam. That's how we get down. Instead of all these bullshit ass, stupid ass, motherfucking dumb ass chicken noodle soup, dumb ass fucking rockaway, two-step and bullshit ass dances. I'm tired of all these motherfucking dances. This is our dance right here.
Dance, 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 dance.
Yeah, Perry, that's what I said. You know what I think we should do? I think we should bust a freestyle on these mochos. On these mochos, man. Hit it up.
I wanna ask me a question. When am I gonna make it about of a hellish and devilish way? When are you gonna make a millions worth of dividends? When are you gonna make and generate when? Who in the hell left the gate open? Did you in the cell? Is everybody on the wavelength like us? Why do we rip it in half? Do we kick ass? We're backwards attack ish like hop up. Yeah, elevate. Can you wait a minute? Can you slow it up a little bit, Nina, so I can get up in it? But do you really wanna dabble in fanatical, supernatural, lyrically radical, minutes? I'm about to begin it. Can I get some? Can I spit some? Which one? When am I gonna get off this trip? Can I take another pill? Why do I feel like I'm a sick individual in the room popping off at the lip? Do you feel me? Do you do voodoo really? Do you get it? Do you want a real epidemic? Will you let me run up in it? What's the word? Is it absurd? What is that issue? Hurt? Was it real? Is it real? Was it really real? Tech 9 in it to win it beside QD third occurred? Who's the worst? Who's Rastafari? You never living, never sure. Selassie, the first brother on the planet Earth. Who? Do you wanna flow?
Yeah, how you like that shit? That shit coming from the heart, coming from the neck, in the nose right here, the nose. And you know that's where it's coming from. Yeah, that's what I said. What you think? What you think, Perry? I think it's coming from your asshole. That's what I think it's coming from. Man, I don't even know why you said that. You just a fucking piece of fucking ass motherfucking fuck, man. I don't even know who you are. You is what you did and you didn't and what you did. Talk. Let me break it down for you one more time.
Bitch. Come on now, IP.
Finish him.
Bitch. Come on now, IP.
Finish him.
Come on now, IP.
Finish him.
Demolition.
Come on now, Arcade.
Yeah. Signing off. Yeah. Perry Garrett and Gary Parrott. Yeah. Bitch.